Asa, no good. Rebound goes to... Here comes MPH. It's Mr. Matiring. 31-26. 5-point lead by MPH. Five minutes and 32 seconds. Handa setting a play to the top of the key. To the corner. It's Mr. Marmol. Back to Handa. 10 seconds on the shot clock. To Hasa. Fires another three. Bang! Hasa. Three. Timeout called. MPH Toda. Our official score 31 against 29. Baba sa dalawa ang MPH dito sa ating talaan. Time remaining 5 minutes and 17 seconds. Okay. Balik tayo sa aksyon. Matining is still dribbling. Guarded by Mr. Abando. Crossing to the center line by Matining. And setting a play inside to Santillan. 15-foot jumper, cat connects. Rebound goes to Matining, but there's a troubling violation. Stop mo muna. Ha? Walang jambol? Ayun. Sorte ba, Sir May? Matining fires a big three. Bang! Matining 3 points. Handa now on the ball. Between the legs dribble. Pass to Hasa. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Almost recovered by Abando. 5 seconds to shoot. Fires a three. No good. Matining the rebound. To Trinidad. But there's a whistle foul. Foul number 88. Pushing foul. Abando. Abando first personal foul. Third team fouls. PTM Toda. Sideline inbound by Montiel. Looking for receiver is Mr. Aurelia. 10 seconds to shoot. Santillan, napakatayog. That's good. Exactly 4 minutes. Matining. Inside pass, Santillan. That's good on Mr. Santillan. Napakatayog. The shot is brought to you by Star Margarine by Mr. Santillan. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Easy basket. Reverse layup by Matining. Aurelia. Aurelia guarded by Handa. Cross-court pass to Trinidad. 10 seconds to shoot. Trinidad making his move. No good. Rebound goes to Asa. Pass to Abila. Abila now on the ball, on the run, making his move. That's good. Oh, Mr. Abila. (38-33). Aurelia. Over pass, Montiel fakes, drives to the middle, hanging in the air. That's good. Timeout called. PTM Toda. Time remaining 2 minutes and 42 seconds. Our official score 40-33. In favor of MPH Toda. Okay, balik tayo sa action. Check sound. Abila. Abila now crossing to the center line. Pass to Handa. Abila to Hassam. Setting a play, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass a big three. Can't connect. Rebound goes to Trinidad. Montiel, baseball pass. No good. Matining. To Abado, loses the ball. Recovered by Abila. That's good. Oh, Mr. Abila. Montiel drives up in under shot. Can connects. Rebound by Abila, making his move. To Handa. Matining. Handa to Abila. 15-foot jumper. No good. Rebound by Aurelia. Pass to Trinidad. Here comes MPH. Matining. Baseline drive. Puts it in. Matining. Guarded by Santillan. Montiel. Drop pass. But there's a whistle foul. Foul number 4. Abila. Substitution rep. Abila out. Handa out. Diyan na. Aurelia fires that way. Bang! Aurelia. 3. Ten seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Abando. Almost. 24 seconds shot clock violation. Substitution, Santillan out. Santillan out. Lamak back to checking in. .40 seconds remaining. Aurelia crossing to the center line. Pass another three. No good. Trinidad. No good again. Rebound goes to Hasa. Hasa fires a three. Too strong. Rebound by Trinidad. And there's a whistle foul. Foul number 8. Holding foul. Penalty. Abando's second personal foul. Penalty situation. PTM Toda. Time remaining 18 seconds. $18 seconds remaining. Rebound by Marmol. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Hasa lays it up. And one. Basket count. Foul number 14. Lamak first personal foul. Second team foul. MPH. 9 seconds remaining. It's in. Complete a three-point play by Mr. Hasa. 5 seconds remaining. Step back three by Maturing. 3 points. And of the second quarter, first up action. Halftime break tayo. Our official score 48 against 38. Abante sa 10. Dito ang MPH sa ating talaan. Hello, check.
Magandang tanghali po sa ating lahat. Welcome ko po ang ating municipal administrator, si Carlo P. Jacinto po Jr. Welcome po, sir. At sa inyo po ang mic.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Sama mong... Magandang umaga po ulit sa ating lahat. Gusto ko lang din pong i-congratulate po ang ating lahat ng TODA sa naging successful na Inter-TODA basketball competition po. Bilang MTRB chairman po, ay tuwang-tuwa po ako na nangyari po itong competition po na ito. Sino nga po ang nanalo kanina po sa ating first game?
Slay TODA po.
Maybo. Congratulations po sa Sly Toda for getting the second runner-up and Maybo po for getting third. Ngayon po ang naglalaban po for the championship is
MPH TODA po.
MPH Toda at PTM Toda. Sino po ba ang lamang? Kayo po. Palapitin nyo ng konti para may exciting. Joke lang po. Joke lang po. At tayo po ay mag-enjoy po at congratulations po sa inyong lahat. Manalo o matalo at kayo po ay panalo sa aking puso. Kayo pong lahat. Ayun lang po. Sulong buwak? Sulong buwak? Ngayon nga, yun po ang sa inyong sinasabi ngayon. Sana po sa 2025, sulong buwak, Carlo on. Biro lang po. Maraming salamat po ulit.
Thank you, sir. Doon po tayo. Nice, sir.
Tingin daw dyan kung bukas ang Bluetooth na Ito daw pa yung mode.
Wala na nga sigurong mas kinababaliwan sa pambansang libangan ng bayan. Laro'y sinasa puso at kinaaaliwan na para bang digmaan ng laban. Manalo, matalo, walang kukontra. Depensa, opensa ng kwento ng bayan. 100% ang laban. Wala na nga sigurong maski nasasabikan ang galing ng liga ng bayan. Sa dami ng daluyong at hirap na natikman, game pa rin partida pangayan. Manalo, matalo, walang kukontra. Depensa, opensa, bilog ang bola. Whoa. Ito ang liga. Whoa. Ito ang liga. Sentro ng kwento ng bayan. 100% ang laban.
Nabantak ang mga koponan, tatak na tatak talaga nga naman. Pasa pa lang na binato, sadya ka wili-wili na. At malamang pati kayo napapapigilin nga. Sa bawat dribble, bantay sarado. Sa bawat sipol, lahat kabado. Lahat ng
Na nga sigurong mas kinababaliwan sa pambansang libangan ng bayan. Laro'y sinasa puso at kinaaaliwan na para bang digmaan ng laban. Manalo, matalo, walang kukontra. Ito ang liga. Ito ang liga. Sentro ng kwento ng bayan. 100% ang laban. Wala na nga sigurong mas
Okay, balik tayo sa action. Check sound. Okay, hello. Check sound. Sound. Check. Okay, balik tayo sa action. Second half, third quarter action. The championship game battle between MPH Toda and PTM Toda. Sideline inbound by Abila. Looking for his receivers, Mr. Matining. Matining now on the ball. Now it's Mr. Apando. Elbow jumper. Too strong. Rebound by Aurelia. Guarded by Apando. Inside pass. Montiel. Pass to Matining. Inside. Santillan. No good. It's stolen from behind. But there's a whistle foul. Foul on number 23. Blocking foul. Montiel. Montiel first personal foul. First team foul. MPH. Abila now on the ball. Inside pass to Marmol. Marmol drives to the middle. Running shot. That's good. 48-40. 40 lang po yun. Official score 48-40. Aurelia drives hard. Hanging in the air. That's good. Another whistle foul. Foul number 1. Illegal use of hand. Aurelia. Aurelia second personal foul. Second team foul. MPHB Toda. Abela. 10 seconds to shoot. Matining fakes. Baseline drives. No good. Baseline inbound by Hasa. Looking for receiver and setting a play. Matining floats. That's good. Oh, Mr. Matining. Official score 50 against 42. Aurelia. Almost. Aurelia drives. Lets it up. And one. Basket call, foul. First team foul. Bonus shot is good by Aurelia. Complete a 3-point play. 53-42. Hasa. Abando pays. And it's a traveling violation. Montiel. Pass Aurelia. Aurelia now on the ball, setting a play to the top of the key. 10 seconds to shoot. Montiel. Aurelia fires a three. In and out. Rebound by Marmol. Recovered by Matining. 2-on-1 situation. Easy basket by Abando. 53-44. Santillan, no good. Rebound by Abando. To Matining. Matining up in under, no good. Rebound by Matining. Matining to Matining. Abila. Oh, what a nice pass. That's good. By Matining. Montiel fakes. Veterans move. Too strong. Rebound by Marmol. And there's a whistle foul. Foul number 8. Matining. Substitution. Santillan out. Larry Reed back to checking in. Matining first personal foul. Third team foul. Marble. Too short, run by Aurelia to Matining. Matining. No good. Rebound by Abila. Abando. No good. $53 against 46. Trinidad to Montiel. Stop and pump. Too strong. Trinidad the rebound. To the rescue. Off the glass is good by Trinidad. Marble. Vaz at Ray. No good. Rebound by Trinidad. To Matining. Ahead. Aurelia loses the ball. Abila. Abila crossing to the center line. Ano pass. Matining puts it in. 55-48. Baba sa 7 ang kalamangan ng MPH dito sa ating talaan. Aurelia looking for Larry Reed. Zigzagging on the middle. Let's enough. And that's good on Mr. Larry Reed. Marmol. Allows Mr. Abila on the ladder. Has a pass at way. Air ball. Aurelia. Fires that way. No good. Rebound by Matining. Here comes PTM Toda. Matining. Number 8. Matining. Matining second personal foul. 4th team fouls. Substitution. Matining out. Coming is Lamak. Asa fakes, drives. Who's foul rep? Foul number 11, illegally suspend. Penalty. Larry Reed, second personal foul. Penalty situation. MPH. Doesn't work, rebound goes to Trinidad. Here comes MPH. Montiel now on the ladder. Pass Aurelia. Aurelia fakes. No good. Rebound by Matining. 4-on-1 situation. Drop pass, extra pass. Matining puts it in. Larry to the answer. Abando. Up in under, too strong. Lamak to the rebound. Pass to Larry Reed. Taking over by Hasa. Hasa now onto the ladder. Give and go. Lancing up. But there's a whistle foul. Foul number 14. Lamak situation. Substitution rep. Montiel out. Matining checks back in. Matining now onto the ladder. Aurelia. Up another shot. That's good. Oh, Mr. Aurelia. 61-52. Balik siya siyam. Ang kalamangan dito ng MPH sa ating tala. Abando. Tuabila. Check sound. And then sabi by Matining. Matining lays it up. Puts it in. Timeout called. PTM Toda. Time remaining. 3 minutes and 38 seconds. Official score 63 against 52. Balik sa 11 ang kalamangan dito ng MPH sa ating talaan.
Usok mo, yun. Usok yung saksakan.
Electric fan?
Yung wire, wag na.
Yung plug. Oo. Agad. Okay, balik tayo sa action. The championship game battle between MPH Toda and PTM Toda. Handa now setting a play. Now it's Mr. Hasa. Fires a big three. Bang! Hasa, three! Aurelia, guarded by Handa. Tolerate, baseline drive. What a nice pass. Denied. Matining on the ladder. Lancing up, no good. And there's a whistle foul. Foul number 16. Handa, it's your second personal foul. Second team foul. PTM Toda. Second team foul.
Ang penalty ay FPH.
Substitution rep. Lamak out. Montiel. Checks back in. Trinidad now on the ball. Handa, third personal foul. Third team fouls. PTN. That's good. Complete a 3-point play by Mr. Aurelia. 66-55. Unti-unti na lumalayo. Dito ang MPH Toda sa PTM. Bang! Time out. Time out called. MPH Toda. Our official score, 66 against 58. Balik sa 8. Ang kalamangan dito ng MPH sa ating talaan. Time remaining 2 minutes and 36 seconds in our third quarter action. The battle between championship game, PTM Toda and MPH Toda. Okay, balik tayo sa action. Time remaining, 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Trinidad crossing to the center line. Looking his teammate is Mr. Matining. Matining drives hard, his play up, can't connect. It's Mr. Abando, 66-60, baba sa 6. Here comes Aurelia. Crossing to the center line, guarded by Anda, pass to Montiel. Montiel fires a big 3. Too strong, rebound by Marbol, pass to Hasa. Hasa now onto the ladder, guarded by Trinidad. Finds an opening. Abando. Handa, Marbol, fires a 3. No good. Abando! What a nice rebound by Abando. Matining. That's good. Ibang klase si Mr. Abando. Renz Abando. Siya gilid lang dumaan. Baba sa 4. Montiel. Bump! Offensive foul! Number 23, offensive foul. Montiel is your second personal foul. One minute and 15 seconds. Hasa looking for receiver, setting a play. 10 seconds to shoot. Abando! Fires! No good! Substitution rep. Montiel out. Larry checks back in. 1 minute and 6 seconds. 1 minute and 6 seconds remaining. Larry on the ball to the ladder. Matining, that's good. 55 seconds. Hasa fires a big 3. No good. Recovered by Matining. Floats. Too strong. Out of bound. 68, 62. 68-62. 40 seconds. Aurelia. Aurelia now sending a play to the top of the key. Drives. And it's an illegal pick. Foul number 25, illegal pick. Second on Mr. Santillan. $68 against 62. Official score, 68-62. Napasobra lang po. 25 seconds remaining. Fires a big 3. In and out. Dun. 18 seconds. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 3 seconds between the shot clock and game clock. Hasa, pass at Ray. Too strong. Santillan, the rebound. 10 seconds. Matining, what a nice move. Nice pass. 3 seconds. Matining has the pass. And of the third quarter action. Official score 68 against 62. 68-62.
Gawing magical ang Pasko with Maggie.
Down is facts. I'm like Dennis. I am
Number 33, technical foul. Unsportsmanlike foul behavior on Mr. Trinidad. Official score 68 against 65. That's good. Sideline ball by Abano. Pass to Handa. Finds a big three. No good. Trinidad, the rebound. Pass to Lararit. Pass to Montiel. To Trinidad. Oh, and there's a last touch. Purple, white ball. Hasa. Now onto the ladder. Hasa setting a play. Matining, fakes, give and go. No good. Rebound by Lararit. Montiel. To Lararit. Drives. And there's a whistle foul. Foul number 88, Abando. Blocking foul. Abando. Fourth personal foul. Warning. Second team foul. Substitution. Abando out. Marmol checking in.
Kaunti na kung iba yung buhok nun. Gaya-gaya lang.
Good for one by Mr. Lararit. 69-66. Handa, inside pass Matining. Oh, what a nice pass! No good! Ngunit may foul. Number 89. Hasa. Hasa, first personal foul. Third team foul, TM.
Maganda penalty yan, parehas. Matagal yung laban na yan.
Aurelia, another, no good. Aurelia again. That's good. Off the glass by Aurelia. Matining on the ball. Pass to Handa. Marmol, pass a big three. Too short. Rebound goes to Aurelia. In and out. Abila, the rebound. It's a traveling violation.
Ganun din yung parang si Abula din yun. Kung kailang nandun na, doon lang kapasa. Labi din kung
Montiel. Pass to Trinidad.
10 seconds.
To Lararit. Drives. No good. Marmol, the rebound. Pass to Abila. To the transition. Matining. Puts it in. 72-68. Intercepted by Abila. Marmol to Matining. Lanes it up. No good. Montiel, the rebound. To Aurelia. Trinidad. Too short. Rebound by Abila. To Matining. Matining drives. In and out. Marmol. To Handa. 10 seconds to shoot. Hasa. In and out. Rebound goes to Lararit. Baseball pass. Santillan. That's good. Napakatayog ni Mr. Santillan. The right pass is Mr. Trinidad. Now onto the ladder. Trinidad, Aurelia. Montiel lays it up. No good. Santillan, that's good. Charge timeout. PTM Toda. Time remaining 5 minutes and 54 seconds. Our official score 76 against 68. Balik sa 8 ang kalamangan ng MPH dito sa ating talaan. 5 minutes and 54. Okay, balik tayo. Section. 5 minutes and 54 seconds. Our official score 76 against 68. Abila setting a play. 10 seconds to shoot. Matining. No good. Rebound goes to Handa. Marmol buys a big three. Bang! Marmol three. Points. Matining now on the ball, guarded by Abila. Almost. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Santillan wide open.
Score. Papaya na score.
78-73. Trinidad looking for a receiver. It's Mr. Aurelia. And there's a whistle. Foul on number 16, holding foul. Handa. Handa, fourth personal foul. Warning. 14 fouls. Warning for penalty. Montiel kicks it out. Matining, 10 seconds to shoot. Foul number 12. Blocking foul, 2 free throws. Substitution, Handa out. Abando, back to checking in. Marmol, third personal foul. Penalty situation. PTM Toda. First attempt is good by Matining. 79-73. Complete 2 free throws. 80 against 73. Asa drives, no good. Rebound by Trinidad. Pass. Denied pass by Matining. That's good. It's Mr. Matining. Matining. No good. Rebound by Hasa. Matining. 2 Too strong, Matining again. Stalling from behind. Out of bounds. 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. 11 seconds to shoot. Montiel buys a big three. No good. Avila. Same ball. Sideline inbound by Mr. Abando. Fires a tray, no good. Rebound by Santillan. Pass to Aurelia. Too strong. Rebound by Marmol. Pass to Hasa. Here comes PTM Toda. Hasa on the run. Drives, lets it up. Puts it in. 82-75. Trinidad ahead. Two minutes and 50 seconds. Denied pass. Matining. Pass to Montiel. Cross-court pass. Aurelia. Santillan. Too strong. Here comes PTM Toda. Matining on the ball. And there's a whistle foul. Foul number 25. Blocking foul. Penalty. Second personal foul of Mr. Matining. Penalty situation. PTM Toda. Time remaining 2 minutes and 24 seconds in our fourth and final quarter action of the ball game. Asa on the run. Recovered by Matining. Page. Falling away shot. Too strong. Rebound by Montiel. To Matining. Cross-court pass. Last 2 minutes. The 2 minutes is brought to you by Army DC Carrion. 5 seconds to shoot. That's good. That's a good ball. That's a good ball. Shot clock po yung nag-buzzer. Shot clock yung nag-buzzer. Good ball. Shot clock po yung nag-buzzer. Good ball. Hasa. 84-75. No good. Abando. Recover by Matining. Intercepted by Matining. Pass to Abando. Baseline drives. Puts it in by Abando. 1 minute and 18. Passing play. Denied pass again. Hasa. Exactly 1 minute. Ten seconds to shoot. Three. Timeout called MPH. 84 against 80. 4-point lead. 42 seconds. 42 seconds remaining. 84 against 80. Baba sa 4 ang kalamangan dito ng MPH sa ating talaan.
Parehas pa naman nagkamad. Parehas sila nagkamad. Yung ganda ng bola lang ang nagis. Doon lang nagtatalo. Nabigay agad eh.
Abutan pa nila. Kapit na.
Hindi. Hindi na wala. Pag si Handa ang nasa labas. You know how...
Okay, balik tayo sa action. 42 seconds. ...42 seconds. 84 against 80. Matining now on the ball. Guarded by Abando. Torilla. And there's a whistle foul. Foul number 4. Abila, third personal foul. Penalty situation. Last 35 seconds.
Score. Tama. Sablay.
Last 35 seconds. No good. Rebound. Goes to Barbol. To Abando. Pass to Hasa. Pass a big three. In and out.
Ayaw ipaulin. Ayaw ipaulin yan.
Number 89, Hasa. Second on Mr. Hasa. 84-80.
Kung matigas yung ring shoot. Pag sablay pa rin yung dalawa na yan. Ano yung yun?
Last 20 seconds. Doesn't work. Last 20 seconds.
Asisihin niya na sabihin, taga-tabi yan. Ilaglag.
No good again. Santillan. Paso. Orilla. 15 seconds. Last 14 seconds.
Si Marmol naman pala. Si Marmol mali.
Abawihan daw niya yung pretro.
Fourth personal foul on Mr. Marmol. Aurelia. And out. Last attempt by Aurelia. 14 seconds. That's good. Timeout call. PTM Toda. 85-80.
Ilang team?
PTM Toda. Penalty situation. MPH third team foul. Last 14 seconds. 85 against 80. Balik sa 5 ang kalamangan ng MPH dito sa ating talaan. Balik tayo sa aksyon. The championship game, knockout game, battle between by PTM Toda and MPH. Last 14 seconds of the ball game. 85 against 80. Sideline inbound by Mr. Abando. Marmol, behind the back pass, Hasa fakes, fires a big three, bang! Hasa, 3! And there's a whistle foul. Number 89, Hasa. Hasa! Third personal foul. Mayo. Mayo. 88.
Hasa!
Hasa. Hasa, it's your third personal foul. Penalty. Nine seconds remaining, 85-83. Okay, it's Mr. Martinez, 2 shot.
May time out pa rin, kabila. Parehas, wala na.
'86-'83. Last 9 seconds. That's good. Martinez. Two seconds. 2.5 seconds. Marble fires. Once again, our champion, the season 2 of Inter Toda Basketball Tournament, MPHB Toda. Maraming salamat din po sa PTM Toda at kay Danica. Muli po, maraming salamat sa ating Marinduque News. Live po tayo. Okay.
Open your mind to the new Le Mundo.
So, ang nagwagi po ay ang MPHP Toda sa score na 87-83 pabor sa MPHP Toda. Batiin po muna natin yung ating mga kababayan na nanonood ngayon dito sa ating live feed. Nandiyan po ang ating pong special coverage ay inihatid sa inyo ng ating pong mahal na punong bayan, Mayor Army de la Cruz Carrion. By the way, nanonood si Karina Montas, si Christian Shena Alperez, gayon din si Jopet Menor
handusay. Magandang araw at welcome sa ating live feed sa iyong panunood dito sa ating programa, sa ating special coverage ng Intertoda Basketball Championship Game na ginawa po dyan sa may bahagi ng Barangay Budiasnin covered court sa bayan ng Buwak, Marinduque. Batiin din natin ang ating mga kababayan, ang ilan pa sa nanonood ngayon, sina Edward Nazareno, and special shoutout din kay ang ilan pa sa kay Julius Diamante na nanonood din sa ating live feed, si Alan Melendez, gayon din si Marites Maglakas Benitez, Christian Shena Alperes, Merencilio Dan, Karina Montas, Celito Bagi. So yan po ang ating mga special coverages na ginagawa po para po sa pagdiriwang ng Buwak o sa official na pagsasara ng Buwak Quadricentennial at opening ceremony naman po ng Buwak Neo Centennial. Official na po muna nating ipipinid ang ating coverage para sa Buwak Intertoda Basketball Championship Game.